My name is Amber.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. We're with Healthymale.
I'm Taylor.
Taylor, nice to meet you.
We walked by, we liked the look and the color of the cars, but we're not familiar with what FC Forma means.
Yep, Formacars. So we have taken cars and we put a lot of modern amenities as luxuries. So we take these old classic cars. These are the type of people that love classic cars but really want that modern feel when they get into them.
Okay.
Right? Everybody loves modern cars today.
Yeah.
So when you look inside of our cars, you'll see that we have like digital dashes, 3D printed interiors, extremely nice stereo systems, push button starts, throttle controls, drive mode, so you could be at the track at the same day that you're driving home, going to a nice dinner and having some fun.
Nice.
Yes.
Okay, I have a random question.
Yes.
So I know luxury cars and some older cars, they don't have cup holders. Can you guys put cup holders in the cars?
Actually, that's a big thing. So we have a lot of capabilities, and we can put cup holders.
You can?
If we want to. So again, with the capabilities of these advanced 3D printing that we can do, we can create pretty much anything we want.
Okay.
For example, like this part right here was 3D printed.
Wow.
This is all 3D printed. We wrap it.
Yeah.
You know, we can do different types of upholstery, different types of colors, lots of different types of things. So yes, absolutely, we do something.
How very cool. So people can bring their older cars to you and you guys can 3D print and update them and make it really modernized.
Yes, we could do that. We're more along the lines of developing like a new car versus a resto mod.
Okay.
This one right here is actually a Factory 5 Type 65.
Oh, okay.
But we took this one, we built it up ourselves, put a lot of new engineering in some of the parts of it, and then again, very modern interior.
Yes.
We can do period specific if people want, make it just like the original.
Cool.
But one of our key elements is making it that real modern feel.
With cup holders.
Yes.
Obviously what's on my mind.
Well, we also do wireless cell phone chargers too.
Oh, very nice.
Good
Okay.
too, yeah.
So it's got Bluetooth, all that stuff in there.
Yeah, that's
Awesome.
sweet.
But I think, the big thing for me, like, if you look at somebody like Tim versus someone like me, Tim's a race car driver. He can take these machines. It's a 700 horsepower at the wheel machine.
Wow.
For me, that's a lot of power. So I like to have like a touring mode because it slows that engine down for me.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Do you guys want to see the engine?
Sure,
yeah.
we do. Look how cool this is too, how you open it up. Sure. Where do I grab it?
Oh yeah,
The silver thing?
Yep.
Oh, sweet. Wow.
We developed our own air conditioning system.
It's gonna fall?
Here we have
I don't know.
twin turbos.
Wow. So this is fast when I need to get away from my boyfriend because he made me mad.
Fast when you want to get away from just about anything. You can. This is an extremely fast machine.
Yeah, you can tell.
Yes.
That's sweet. And it's all modernized inside with the cameras and everything.
Yep.
I love it.
So what year is this?
I guess this would be officially like a 2018, I think, when we actually built it.
Okay.
Okay.
So yeah.
Awesome. Cool.
Wow.
But again, we build them for people. So people come to us and they say, hey, I want a Daytona Coupe, I want a Cobra,
Right.
I want a 33 hot rod, 35 hot rod truck or something like that. We will build them from scratch and put all this modern stuff in this one. We can even, for example, we've had someone who's 6'7" wanting to get into a machine like this.
Oh, okay.
Get into that, something that's a really tight cockpit fit. But we can extend a lot of this because a lot of our engineering capabilities that we have.
Cool.
So we had somebody who just purchased a stretch Cobra, which added 4 inches to it.
Whoa. Was it a celebrity?
It wasn't a celebrity. It might as well be that.
Just an average 6'7" dude? Wow.
Awesome. All right, well thank you for your
Thank
time.
you so
You
much.
guys want to sit in it at all?
Sure, we can get a picture of us sitting in it.
Yeah,
You want to drive, Taylor?
Sure. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious.
Oh, how do you even open it?
Actually, I'll go open it one second. There's a battery on it.
Good, you need to get in?
Cool. Taylor and I are going for a ride. We'll catch you on the flip side.
Thank you. I couldn't imagine being tall and driving one of these. I'm only 5'4"
This is
and I feel like it's hard. Oh, this is like a race.
Hell yeah. Cruising for men.
Yeah.
This is nice.
This is so low. I would
Could you imagine?